Hello everybody, my name is DGManDude, and today I'm going to be reacting to 2 new videos for you guys. The first video I'm going to be reacting to is If Mario Was a Nickelodeon by SMG4. And if it's SMG4, we already know it's going to be amazing. If Mario was a Nickelodeon, I can already picture him doing chaotic stuff, because we all know that Mario in the SMG4 world, he is an absolute psycho. Anyways, and let's just see what stuff Mario does in this episode of SMG4. If you guys haven't seen the original video, I will leave it in the description along with SMG4's channel. Please make sure that you watch the original video first, because it just makes it fair for the original creator. Because they put so much time and effort into making these videos, and it's just not really fair to come to my reaction or someone else's reaction first, if you guys know what I mean. Anyways, but if you have watched this video already, then we could go ahead and get this started. So let's get on to it. Alright guys, let's see if Mario was a Nickelodeon. Alright, so I think first I see Luke and Kevin. So let's see what they have to say before the video starts. Anyways, so yep, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, if you haven't heard yet, we are working on a brand new animated show called Murder Drones. Murder Drones is about these cute little robots that also murder each other for reasons. It's very violent, but it's also very, very cute and fun. Actually, if you enjoyed watching 2021 and the entire Genovese arc, this is definitely the show for you. The pilot for the show releases on October 29th. Spooky month! We've been working in the show with a very talented animation director, Lee Wiggins.
Turn up a little bit.
Guys, this is the most ambitious project we've made today, and it's looking amazing. We think it's the best work we've done so far as well. If you can go check out the trailer for Murder Jones over on the Glitch channel. And make sure to subscribe. Go subscribe to the channel, guys. We have some special clips coming up soon. Yes, and with that, we're going to go into the video now. Have a spooky month, everyone. Come on, watch that. This is so nice.
Alright, here we go. Freaking donkey.
Yes!
Luigi. Oh my god, not that hand again. I'm off to the barn. Also Nickelodeon. Whoa. Freaking Spiker. Are they?
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places.
What is going on here? Oh, he died.
Hey, Luigi.
Mario and Luigi. Where did Mario go? It's Mario's Milkies.
Hey, you're holding up the line.
It's freaking.
This juicy boy's all mine.
Probably to Nickelodeon World Mario. Mario's a Nickelodeon. Oh, God. What the fuck?
Mamma mia.
Well, we're at the Krusty Krab. Krusty Krab.
What are you doing? What's going on here? I'm ready. I'm ready. What? Why?
What are you doing?
Money, 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 money.
What are you doing that then for?
Oh yeah, Mr.
What happened to his face? Well, he got punched, so obviously it would be like that. Ew. Who's Patrick?
Maybe it's the way you're dressed. Maybe
Hey, Squidward. Oh God.
Mr. Squidward, I should kick your ass.
Oh, and Mario's naked, of course. And everyone inside there's dead. Oh God, no.
You have a nice face.
This is not so bad. Freaking Curious George. A Minecraft pig.
It was time for Mario to leave. He had seen everything.
Daddy, can we play that computer game?
Oh God. Minecraft. Put the gun down. I think he pissed her off. What? Okay, so you actually created it. Well, at least he got away from them. There's those zombie pigmen. Hey, Steve. Oh God, is he gonna kill them?
Finally, worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.
Oh, oh. Oh my God, this show.
Hit you to think of it. Hit you to think of it. Hit you to think of it.
Why is it so dumb? It's funny. What is this crappy music? What are you gonna play, Mario?
Surrounded up in this orphanage.
Oh my God, friggin' Jimmy Neutron.
What the hell is this?
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. I mean to report you, Jake.
You know full well my daily calcium intake must be 495 milliliter exactly, and you have gone 0.0000005% over that.
Is that an Among Us character?
RIC, another unfortunate soul has joined us. Don't worry, you can join my servants. They'll make you feel right at home.
Oh God. Oh God.
Once when I was 7 years old, I sat on a banana. And of course, that changed my life.
Good to know.
Oh,
YMCA.
I got it.
What are you gonna do?
This is big brain time.
Oh God. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my God, Mario's head.
It is gathering all the knowledge of the universe.
Why is that so funny? This is nose.
I didn't think this through.
Jerkin Josh.
I am Chris Hansen, paid by NBC.
Just park the car. Would you let go of my wheel? Hey, come on. Hey, watch it.
They hit Mario.
Drake. What?
The baby just kicked.
Oh my God.
It's coming.
Oh no.
Really Odd Parents.
Oh no. Oh no.
Kill our godson. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Boy, that's ever gonna happen.
Mario doesn't give a shit, probably.
Every moment I live is agony.
Oh god. Oh, there he goes again. Hey Maggie.
Oh man.
What the hell? Thing's firing Peach. Oh god. Oh god, giant spaghetti. Hi Carly. Oh my god.
You see, somehow the weather's gonna change for me and be so wonderful.
Mario's naked again. OnlyFans. Oh god, here we go.
Where are we going? Grandma's house. Where are we going? Grandma's house.
Mario!
I'm hungry.
Hey, did you have any...
Have you got any food?
Look at you, dead Mario.
I'm Dora. What's your name?
Mario.
What's your name?
Mario?
I think you have to say it again.
I was hoping he would... I had a feeling he'd do that. Oh my god, the fucking arrow. What, you're gonna eat him?
Why are you running?
Oh, here comes the map again. Stupid freaking...
Shut the fuck up. Okay.
I was hoping he...
A few moments later.
Oh, here we go. Fucking...
Hello! Oh, this is odd. The map said I wouldn't encounter a dumb
Oh, no, he stole his hat. Mario's gonna get pissed. You just shot him! Was that Clorox bleach? Stupid song. Rugrats. Sorry, I keep yawning, guys. I apologize. It's Stewie.
Have you seen Reptar, Chucky? No. I thought you had him. Wait, I think I saw Reptar by the front door.
Get over here!
Get your ass back here.
Oh god.
Mamma mia!
God damn it. Mario. What are you doing?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Oh, there they are. Oh god. What's he gonna do? Barney. Look green. Oh god.
Sammy, where are we going? Don't worry, Chucky. This is the beginning to an amazing adventure.
Oh my god. Godzilla. I can't take it anymore. Let me back in. Oh no, not Trump. No, not Trump. Why does he need to do it? No, who cares? It's also before. They all suck. But I don't know. Okay, what's that gonna do? What? Okay. Oh, that was amazing. That was great. Nice fan art. Okay, guys, so the next video I'm going to be reacting to is Idiots in Cars, Ridiculous Driver Fails of 2021 by FailArmy. Now, we all know FailArmy. Seen some pretty interesting fails from FailArmy in the past. I haven't watched FailArmy in a while, though. Again, make sure you guys watch the original video first. Link is in the description along with FailArmy's channel. Anyways, so let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go. What do we got here? A car. This does not look okay. Of course it doesn't. Idiots in Cars. Alright, oh god. Oh man. That's why don't ever park your vehicle next to a railway. Wait, did a part of one of the boxcars break off? Yeah, it doesn't look so good anymore. Oh, you! Oh my god! Yeah, I hope no one got hurt. Oh, this doesn't look good. Ah. Of course, the whole thing had to fall over. Oh, jeez.
Jesus.
Yeah, I agree. What's gonna happen here? Oh. Sorry. You not know that. Okay. I'm done. I don't even know anymore. Just. Why didn't you stop before?
Well, what we got here, people, is an incident in Ozark, Missouri, where this man thought he could drive on concrete. And they just letting him sit there. I guess they're going to call a wrecker, but he's an older fella. Well, it's a sad situation. Look how deep it is.
Yeah.
Almost right up to the bumper.
Oh.
There's the wrecker.
That's why you just wait for it to dry.
They're going to pull him out. Oh, bless their hearts. Oi.
Wow, what are you doing? What'd you break the mirror off for? What the hell? Oh, okay, I guess that guy did something wrong. And I'm just not paying attention. Oh, come on. Not one of these videos again. Not one of these things again. It's just freaking people driving through stores. And then everything gets ruined. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. Black smoke.
Hey man, you put it into the bill. Damn! 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 Oh, that nigga. Oh! Bro, he just whole.
Oh shit, he fucked up the whole front.
Unbelievable. Look, knock the goddamn bumper right off. Look at that. Oh Oh my god.
What? You're driving
And
without
she's
a...
doing 60 miles an hour. Holy shit, look at this.
The freaking tires and I... Oh, ooh. That wasn't on. Oh. Shouldn't you be out of the car if your car is getting towed? Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh! I've seen so many people doing stupid shit whenever, like, my mom or my dad would drive me somewhere.
Really?
Come on. Hope I never get into an accident like this one day.
Honk at you? I honked at you, so you just still go anyway? I honked at you. I was too close to you.
What a
You did it,
really,
boy.
dude? Holy shit.
You don't know how to drive.
Oh, whatever's in there is probably ruined.
Hung up.
What's going on here? Oh, man.
Oh, sh**.
What? Let's go.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my goodness. Holy Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's not okay.
Oh my lord, what the we gonna do, bro? Holy
Well, anything could happen. That's all I could say. There goes the bumper. And there goes... there goes the back bumper too. God! People are so stupid sometimes. What are you driving on the sidewalk for? Just to get past everyone else? Come on. What a retard. Oh, man. God, it's raining too. Was he not wearing a seatbelt or something? Or did he just... I don't know. What a crazy world we live in, right? Whoa. That's a lot of smoke. Tire smoke, excuse me. I mean, same thing. Oh, there goes the engine. And now it's on fire. Okay. Oh my god. I don't like what's happening. God damn. What happened? The bumper got stuck. Oh no.
Well, I'll go when the cars have gone.
What the fuck are you doing? The guy in the red car, person in the red car.
What's your problem? Why are you, mate?
You're calling him a cunt?
What do you mean about problem? What do you mean what a problem?
Fucking muppet.
What?
And in the boat like that.
problem, haven't you? Yeah, you are. Oh, grow up, you fool. You're a fool. Yeah? You what?
Just move on and just don't listen to what the pastor's saying.
Come on, who are you then?
Ronnie Pickering.
Who?
Ronnie Pickering.
Who?
Ronnie Pickering.
Who the f***'s that?
Yeah, me.
No, wow, yeah, brilliant.
Found out then.
Fuck on then, f*** off then.
God damn it. Oh my god. Just imagine you're the second you step out of your house and then you see that. Oh. Taking the boot off. He's putting it inside the trunk. What are you doing that for? I don't even know anymore. I'm done. I'm done. I was a little bit confused on that last one. Oh no. Why would you even try and attempt to drive through there? Okay, I thought I was gonna. Whoa, okay. What happened here? I would like to know what happened here. I see that the top of that car is completely destroyed. Alright, well. That was kind of interesting, wasn't it? Anyway, so the part I was talking about before, guys, was not this one, because I don't know why you would even try to attempt to drive through something, to try and drive through something like that. Just why? This one. This is the one I was confused on. Maybe I need to look at it again. Rewind it. Alright. I don't know. If you guys know what was going on, just let me know in the comments. I'm a little bit confused of what happened. Anyways, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to SMG4 and FailArmy. Both the channel links are in the description, same with the original videos. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe, drop a like, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.